Okay, so here's what this dashboard is going to do. It compares Drew to peer sets. All right, so I have several peer sets. One is the KNN peer set, which we've talked about in the show a lot. This is a machine learning algorithm that picks peers based on about 40 characteristics of the school and then picks the schools that are most similar to Drew, the 40 or 35 most similar. All right, I just clicked on this. These are the KNN peers. All right, 35 schools that are most similar to Drew on a number of dimensions, about 40 dimensions. This self-peers list is Drew's own self-reported peer set, right? They reported their own peers to the Department of Ed, and this is the 15 schools they thought that they should be benchmarked against. So they're there. These are the peers that are from New Jersey, so we can do a more like regional analysis. And then I have another toggle here for peers that have strong finances and that they do have a positive net income margin and have had that for at least 2 years, the last 2 years, and they didn't achieve a positive net income by drawing more than normal on their endowment, right? So normal endowment draw and a normal net income, a positive normal net income. So there's a bunch of schools that have strong finances that look a lot like Drew. All right, and that's this set. Okay, so let me